Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching this video. This video is all about combinations for professions, that is doctors. Okay, so let me give you a little bit of background about the ancient texts. So we have a god called Dhanvantari who is responsible in terms of curing the diseases, and also he is master of Ayurveda. Okay, Ayurveda has provided a lot of medicines in terms of which the scientific medicines are not able to provide the results. Okay, so from the astrological perspective, there are two planets which are responsible for the career as doctors. As you know, the days has changed a lot. So nowadays, a lot of doctors are actually coming up in terms of making money, because that is considered as a status symbol, and also most of the doctors are working selflessly for the as a social service, and also they are helping a lot of people in terms of curing the diseases, and also nowadays a doctor is considered as a god, irrespective of any religion, irrespective of caste and creed. Will be respecting the doctors nowadays, because they are acting as a gods who are helping us in terms of getting the better health, and also in terms of nutrition, in terms of diet. These people are being responsible in terms of their responsibility and also the work ethics. Most of the doctors I have come across are working selflessly for the welfare of mankind, and we should really salute all those doctors. Let me tell you that at the start of this video, I salute all the doctors around the world. Thank you so much for all your selfless service that you have been providing to the mankind. All right. So please keep serving the mankind with your selfless service, and hats off for your work and efforts. And let me tell you one more thing. Like with regards to the astrology, planet Jupiter, Moon, and Mars plays a significant role. Okay, planet Moon, Mars, and Jupiter. Moon and Mars signifies medicine, whereas Jupiter signifies cure. Okay, in order to have a good health, Jupiter's energy is also required, because Jupiter energy helps you to cure from the diseases, and whereas Mars and Moon represents fluids and drugs as well as medicines. Okay, so Jupiter, Moon, especially planet Moon, plays a major role in terms of determining the healing, because Moon has a capability of healing abilities. Okay, and in Sanskrit also, Moon is considered as Nishakara. Nishakara as in like who can cure a lot of diseases, and you know the Moon is the Karaka for mind, thoughts, and feelings and emotions. Okay, so Moon plays a major role. So let me tell you, if at all Moon is under the nakshatra of malefic planets, that is Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, Sun, or Mars, it's a strong indication that you might take up a doctor career. Okay, and also if the Moon has in the connection of 7th lord or 7th house, another indication that you'll become a doctor. If at all 10th house or 10th house lord from Moon is afflicted, another indication that you might be taking the what is the engineering career, or then later you'll be shifting towards the pharmaceutical or medical representative or something. You can see a lot of people who have shifted their career. That happens if at all you have 10th house lord affliction in your birth chart, or if at all 10th house lord is weak or 10th house planets are weak, you'll be studying something and you'll become something else. We have been seeing a lot of people who study electrical engineering, electronics engineering, or automation engineering, or automobile engineering. They are working as a software engineers or software professionals or a consultants. That is the main reason that you are having a malefic planets in the 10th house, and 10th house lord is being afflicted, or 10th house planets are sitting in the enemy sign. At that point of time, these things will happen. Okay, and if at all Moon's nakshatra is placed in the 6th, 8th, and 12th houses, another indication that will become a doctor. Okay, and also a lord of 6th house is placed in the 10th house, or lord of 6th and 9th are placed in the 12th house. That's another indication that will become a doctor. Saturn and Mars are in conjunct in the Kendras, that is in the 1st, 4th, 7th, and 10th. In Lagna chart, Navamsha chart, or Dashamsha chart, D1 chart, D9 chart, and D10 chart, another indication that will become a doctor. Alright, and if at all Moon Lagna and the 10th Lord are in the Ashwini Nakshatra or Shatabisha Nakshatra from the moon sign or from the Lagna. Another indication that you'll become a doctor. Okay? And Mars is placed in Leo, another indication that you'll become a doctor. Association of Jupiter with Saturn's Karaka for profession is very good for status and prosperity. Okay? Saturn plus Jupiter conjunction or Saturn plus Moon conjunction in the 10th house, 9th house, 7th and 1st house, another indication that you become a doctor. Okay? And the 10th house lord happened to be Sun or Mercury. If at all you have Buddhaditya Yoga in the 10th house and 12th house, another indication that you will become a doctor. 10th house lord happened to be Sun or Mercury and is being aspected by Jupiter. Another indication that you will become a doctor or a healer. Okay? And the last combination I would like to give you is Venus plus Saturn conjunction from moon sign placed in the 10th house is very good for the medicine career. Mars and Mercury in the 10th house also provides the same results. Okay? So these are some important combinations that we generally see in the birth chart to see whether this person will be successful in terms of doctor's career. Alright? So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Once you book for the astrology consultation, I'll be checking your birth chart from a deeper perspective and I'll be providing you the astrological analysis pertaining to the planetary alignment in your birth chart. Okay? So do book for the astrology consultation because that will enable me to check your birth chart for 3 to 4 hours and I can provide you the final prediction. Alright? And if at all you're watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon next to subscribe button so that you'll be notified on the future videos. Alright? And stay tuned for more videos in my YouTube channel. I have made nearly 400 to 450 videos in my YouTube channel till now. My objective is to help you with the knowledge of Vedic astrology. So stay tuned with my videos and learn Vedic astrology and I'll see you in the consultation. Bye for now.